What is the Internet? The Internet is a vast network that links together millions of computers around the world. In the 1960s, people were working on ideas that later became the Internet. In 1969, the first 4 major computer centers in the United States were linked. By 1973, the network was international. In 1983, the Internet protocols went online for the first time. 2 major groups worked on the development of the Internet: the United States military and university researchers. Surface web only represents about 5% of total Internet content. Sites that can be indexed and accessed from search engines visible to average users without using the Onoin Router, TOR, or any special software made up of popular.com, net, and org sites. The open web includes any content that is indexed by search engines and shows up in search results in Google, Bing, Facebook, YouTube, etc.
Deep web represents about 90% of total Internet content. Sites that can't be accessed from search engines. Examples: email inboxes, banking information, credit card accounts. These sites are protected by authentication forms, passwords, and security firewalls. Academic databases, medical records, financial records, legal documents, some scientific reports, some government reports, subscription-only information, some organization-specific repositories. The deep web contains a wealth of private content that is not indexed or accessible via a search engine. It includes anything that requires sign-in credentials and includes content that explicitly blocks web crawlers from indexing. 90% of the content on the web. The deep web is the content of databases that cannot be found or indexed by conventional search engines. Government databases, government websites, medical records, alumni, academic information, legal documents, scientific reports, subscription information, banking and financial databases.
Dark Web
5% of total Internet content. Sites that exist within the deep web can only be accessed with a TOR browser used for both legal and illegal purposes: political protest, drug trafficking, and other illegal activities. The dark web is only accessible using a special browser like TOR, the Onoin Router, or 12p. It is the underbelly of the Internet and home to stolen information, illegal goods, and a myriad of criminal forums and shady activity. Sites with illegal information, drug trafficking sites, terrorist, pornography, pedophilia sites, friend-to-friend or peer-to-peer networks, TOR encrypted sites, Freenet, 12p, and Riffle Bitcoin services such as tumblers. The dark web is the encrypted network that exists between TOR servers and their clients.